Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.